I just did an oil change, and I swear to God, the car feels more responsive. Probably placebo, but the car feels more responsive. So this is the car with nothing in the trunk and the back seats down. There's so much road noise, but the exhaust. Now we must rev. Green light, come on. This is all I do with this car, really. I just take it out, make some noise, enjoy the sound, go back home. It's just a really loud toy at the end of the day. It's so loud, it's vibrating the sunshade. Let me know what you guys think of the quality and the sound of the GoPro 12 without a mic. This is just from the GoPro itself. I'll probably end up just getting a mic, but let me know. It's so loud. I wish it wasn't so rattly with the back seats down. Noise is crazy, but it's kind of worth it. The exhaust is crazy when you're on it. The road noise is bad, man.